Just do some cat things. What a menace, dude. He's just going around scratching things. Oh my. I'm gonna cause some trouble here. Maybe they'll pay attention to me after that. They don't want to meet. Sorry! I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. On top of this tree? Ooh. What's on top of the tree? There must be something here. I know trees got good things always in games. Wherever it'll let me go, just go. The tree's gotta have something here. I'll figure it out later. I can't meet or talk to anybody right now. Unfortunate. It's definitely meditating businessman up there somewhere. Where? What am I seesawing to? Oh, maybe I can. It gets wilder as we go. Okay, I didn't do anything really. Go little napsy poo. Oh. Alright. It's called a swing. Thank you, Moon.